Train crossing water signals are activated. There goes the gates. Gates are all the way down. Here comes the train. She's coming pretty fast too, at 50 miles an hour. Here she comes. What's up, my brother? Ford salute. Yeah. Yep. They saw me. There you are. I see you. Wow. Well, the train's slowing down. Wow. This is a long train. Yep, this is a long train. This is a monstrous long train. Wonder why they're slowing down. Wonder why that they are hitting the brakes. slightly, you know. Must be something going on up ahead. Well, wow, that's kind of strange. They were going at a good, the train was going at a good speed, and now the locomotive engineer decided like to hit the brakes a little bit, hit the air brakes and the dynamic brakes a little bit. I wonder why. Must be something there up ahead that we don't see. But oh well. Hope that everything's okay on the train. But that was nice though. That was nice of the locomotive engineer, and the train crew. They saw me. He gave me a horn salute, a honk of the horn, a horn chirp. Well, that was a good video. And I guess please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of the video, and or send me a like, and share and subscribe. High green signal light out.